Welcome to our tutorial about making a path. I'm going to make a path using the outline of this block. Let's right-click, select Edit Sketch. Now let's open the Tools menu, select Sketch Tools, and we'll choose Make Path. I'm going to select all the entities in this block. By the way, the entities in a path need to be chain connected to one another. Click OK. In order to edit a path, select the entities in the path again and press Edit Path. Now I'm going to select the path and I'll Control select this circular entity. I'm going to add a tangent relation. Click OK. Lastly, I'll select this point and add a fixed relation. Click OK. Now, when I move this cone-shaped block, the elbow moves up and down following the rotation. Let's take a moment to talk about how to delete a path. Just simply select and click Delete on your keyboard, and hence we don't have a path here anymore. And this concludes our tutorial on making a path.